you're shaping tomorrow. In one word, if today represents tomorrow, then you're doing it here in such confidence. We have to let go sometimes. We can't be right every time. That thing, I think most leaders do that. If we can get out of that and overcome that, I think we are doing wonders.
Hi, I'm Anubhav from Bharat 2.0 Conclave, an initiative by Business Viewpoint and the Enterprise World magazine. Today on the red carpet, we have with us Lata Vashisht, founder of Adhya AirTech. Hi, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Nice to be here, Anubhav.
My first question for you is, as a panelist member, what makes collaborative discussions on platforms like Bharat 2.0 so crucial today?
You're shaping tomorrow. In one word, if today represents tomorrow, then you're doing it here in such confidence.
Amazing. That's a great answer. How does sharing the stage with other industry leaders challenge your own perspective?
Initially, even during the panel interview, I was a bit nervous because, all experts sitting there, and I was sitting in the end thinking about how will I contribute? Will I get the questions in the end? If everyone speaks everything, then what will I be left out with to speak all about? Then slowly, as they started speaking, I said, okay, I can think for some time because I'm sitting in the end. I can formulate something, through my thoughts and give my best shot. So that is how I've worked out today.
Excellent, excellent. What is the most pressing challenges Indian leaders must solve together?
We have to let go sometimes. We can't be right every time. That thing, I think most leaders do that. If we can get out of that and overcome that, I think we are doing wonders.
Excellent. How can you ensure that the growth of Bharat 2.0 is inclusive across all demographics?
You have to include everyone into your, thoughts and then whatever you are acting upon. Whenever you think of the future, you think of every generation for that matter, the past, the present and the future. That is how India or Bharat 2.0 we can think about as a futuristic thinking perspective. You need to include the next generations because they are your successors. You need to think about your older generations because they have, given that legacy to you. How best you can make of your past to create a better future. That lies in your hand.
Amazing, perfect. Moving on to the next round, which is rapid fire. A book every Indian CEO or leader must have on the desk.
Undoubtedly everybody says Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah.
I am for it. But if you come to, an Indian perspective, because I am for Make in India and Vocal for Local, I come from the manufacturing sector. So I speak about Subhash Chandra ji from Zee TV. The book that I am fascinated with, it's called as the Z Factor, the wrong man at the right time.
Amazing.
It definitely gives you lessons on resilience, entrepreneurship and leadership. So I vouch for it.
Perfect. The biggest distractions all leaders today in one word.
Distraction. We say we are busy. The busyness, and then we think about that we are contributing towards productivity. But do we have the true impact? I think busyness is one thing that we have to think about.
If you had to write a tagline for Bharat 2.0 Conclave, what would it be?
I said, in my first answer itself, Bharat 2.0 conversations shaping tomorrow.
Perfect, amazing. Moving on to the next round, ma'am. Can you please pick a word? Perfect. May I? Thank you. What is your ultimate stress buster after a long board meeting?
Music.
Perfect. Amazing.
Any day for it. If Mr. Arijit Singh is there, I am in for it. Thank you so much.
Amazing. That was a great, it was a pleasure talking to you, ma'am. And please have a great day.
Thanks. Same.
Thank you.